Keep playing.
Oh my god.
The headshot sounds as rewards. As rewards saying, "Thank you for playing."
We're not playing on that.
Oh, winner! Jackpot! I got 2 kills. They were both on one left side. I bet the guy's backtracking now. He's scared to death.
Nice job.
3 in a row. Get ready for the next.
Oh my god. Nice.
3 in a row.
Thank you. Middle. Good clutch.
I'm scared.
Give him a proper English welcome.
Okay, here we go. Full.
Watch him left.
I had him if he didn't.
Keep up the pressure.
It's instant.
Next round. Pick it up.
How many shots do I gotta hit the guy? How many do I gotta hit? How much? I would love to know how. He's right and left side, I think.
He's mid. I mean, his spawn. He's right side.
What? Well, from what direction did he hit me from? Oh, he was. Saw his barrel.
Lads, on to the next round.
Hit. Really, like right now, if I installed Vanguard, you know what my first match would be?
But
It
It would be Das House. It'd be a team deathmatch Das House.
yeah.
And then my second match, you know what it would be?
What?
It would be a domination Das House. And you know what the third match I would be playing?
I just don't know.
Das House. He's in her spawn. Pushing where? Yeah. There you go. No, the other guy was still in her spawn. He pushed where you started. Yeah, right, Conquistador. Yep. He's right over there. Our teammate's clueless, dude. They're pushing. They're moving around. In our spawn.
Fuck, yeah.
What? He's inside the barn. He's on the objective.
We're securing the objective.
He's on it.
Taking the objective. One of the wins now. Pressure.
I think he's inside barn. They're both two guys. In their spawn.
Fuck.
You have 1 HP from one shot? And you hit behind you.
Ah.
In the barn. 1 HP, by the way.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Give us a decent gun. What is this loadout, bro?
Here's some shotguns. And... What? Oh, okay. No, I thought. He's in a spawn. I just saw him. He's back right, back right.
Nice.
Down. Keep up the pressure.
I get no hits there. None.
None.
Right side and mid, right side and mid, right side and mid. He's in a spawn. Okay. Yeah, this is just retarded.
Down.
Go hit, Mark. Oh, and nothing, you know, his only head is exposed, but I'll just get through it.
That's a 4-win streak. Switching
Guys, don't. We gotta show you where it says calm, bro. Don't kill us. We'll show you.
we have it. Let's go.
No, kill him. Easy.
Handle yourselves well.
I don't think I've ever done this bad.
You guys got me on my warm-up game. Thank you for the good warm-up.
No,
What is
the
with
problem
this
is you're...
aiming at the fucking wall shit and hitting me?
That's what we're talking about right now, brother.
I know.
Dude,
That's exactly
what the
what
fuck
we're
is
saying.
that?
There's some bullshit going on right
How
now.
the
dude.
fuck can I... Dude, and I could aim aimed right at this dude's head and get nothing.
Mouse and
Dude,
keyboard?
what-
Are you mouse and
We're
keyboard?
talking about this.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what we're saying.
Yeah, he's right side over there. And look at that. All 3 shots were right on that dude's body.
Oh, yeah, yeah, oh.
And these loadouts,
Hey.
man.
What's favorite controllers with the iron sight snipers?
He's in our spawn already, dude. Woo! Damn, I got a hit marker and he gets a 1-tap.
I know I don't suck this much. I know I don't.
100 for 3. Suck my dick.
Shit, that was a good kill.
Don't suck penis. Oh.
Pistols.
Eliminate all
Oh
enemy
man, I can't believe we got pistols. I love them. I love pistols.
What? Dude, why are you saying that? It's not like we get them, you know.
How about you, man? You like
Yeah.
pistols?
Oh, I love pistol. I love pistol. I love pistol. You like pistols? You love getting them? 4 out of 5 times?
Pistols?
Oh, pistols.
Yeah. Oh, what about shotguns?
Pistols
Hey.
suck. Pistol definitely.
Welcome.
Give them a
Ooh.
English English
Say, ooh.
welcome.
Shotgun with a 10-time scope.
Yeah, definitely. That's the way to go.
Bro! Middle,
Oh,
middle,
up
middle,
top
middle.
left.
He's at mid.
Flash.
He's upper. Got him.
Good shit.
Don't let your guard down.
You guys are pushers.
Well calculated.
I love this. Wow. I shouldn't have got that. But sir, I did.
God.
Sorry.
Keep
I had to
fighting.
ace him. Yeah.
He's in our spawn. Okay.
Oh,
Objective
nice.
undefeated.
Let's try.
Ah.
Ow! What?
GG's, guys.
GG.
Your shotguns. I think whenever we start doing bad is like that.
God dang, bro.
Got movement.
This spawn. These guys are like sitting tight, man.
Oh shit. Blue
Okay.
blue can
Was that a girl?
No.
He's on me, on me. I'm responding. Push left. Watch your left, watch your left. Push left. Mid. He's mid, like, actually. Dead. Last guy was right.
Oh my god.
Inner spawn.
How do I miss every one of those?
I got you.
3 up, 3 down.
Just throw my knives over.
I just mic'd that guy.
On me, where you just came from? He knifed me, you're right behind him, where you see it.
That's a 4-win streak.
There's something about the pistols in this game that I just can't.
How about them pistols, though?
Oh, don't you love them?